Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna try for the first time the new festival collection from Too Faced. So there's an entire line of festival collection. There's a palette, there's an highlighter, there's a bronzer, there are lip gloss, lipsticks, and there's setting spray too. If you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to say something about this product. It's not gonna end like this. You thought it was ending like this, huh? I am really happy that I had the chance to try this product because they're very colorful. It's fun. It's not an everyday look, I think, because of course it's a very colorful, but you can really make it work for any events or a festival, since festival season is just around the corner. So you can rock this at Coachella, for example. I'm gonna show you my favorite. This highlighter is one of a kind. I really love it because you see all this color, but at the end of it they all like becomes one only color, and it's just like a very wearable color. Is not pink or blue or anything like that. They just mix all together and it creates this beautiful highlighter. Besides that, I also really love the bronzer. As you can see, the bronzer has a unicorn in the middle, so you can mix it around and it's just gonna give you more of a glowing bronzy look. I've used it, so I love it. Yeah, these are my two favorites about the collection. Of course, I also love the palette. It's really cute. The packaging is just like amazing. Look at this. It's so cute. I'm in love. The lip glosses are amazing. It's really soft. It feels great on the lips. Other than that, I don't think I have anything else to say. I think it's worth it. Who is sending me messages? Other than that, I think it's an amazing investment if you are considering to buy it. If you have any question, as usual, comment down below the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as always, I'll see you next time with another video. Ciao!